Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Tozo OpenReal. Now these are open ear headphones that feature ear conduction technology. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price for these is $40. Alright, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now these are Bluetooth version 5.3. They're IPX8 sweat and water resistant. Now these feature ear conduction technology, not bone conduction. And I'm going to show y'all the difference in a minute. Now you got 16.2 millimeter dynamic drivers. That's going to give you excellent sound quality. You got dual mics for crystal clear phone calls. The battery life on these is 16 hours on a single charge. Now it takes 1.5 hours to fully charge them up, but you also got quick charge. So 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours worth of playtime. Now you got easy touch controls for playing pause, skip and reverse tracks, answer and end phone calls, volume up and down, and activate your voice assistant. Now you also got the Tozo app that lets you customize your EQ settings and other features. Alright, so all of that for $40. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love.
calm down. Alright, Tozo OpenReal. Now these have excellent reviews on Amazon. If you never heard of Tozo, I reviewed the Golden X1s, LDAC. I love these. Now I know somebody's going to ask, which one should you get? These or the Shocks? Well, here's two things you got to remember. The Shocks, these are going to cost you $180. Okay? That's number one. And number two, these are truly wireless. So if you're somebody who loses earbuds all of the time, you're going to want something that has the neck band. You're not going to lose these. Okay? $40, the price is right. Let's unbox it and see what it is. Let's see, anything that we miss? Okay, suitable for sports, exercise, working. Okay, I think I covered everything. Grab a little unboxing knife. What we got today? Carbon fiber. Here we go. Right. Okay, Tozo OpenReal. Nice little presentation right here. Okay, designed by Tozo in California, USA. I like that. Inside, usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. You see anything else in here? That's it. Okay. These are going to be your headphones. Now let's see. Power on and off. Hold for 2 seconds. All right. I'll go ahead and read that in a minute. Now these are super lightweight. Okay. Feels like one continuous piece of silicone. I should inspect that for quality. Okay. Let's see what else we get in the box. This is going to be your charging cable, I believe. This is going to be, okay, a little package struggles. Right. Okay. Now this is going to be USB-A, and it has these pins. Okay, so to charge these up, you're just going to line them up on the pins, and they magnetize right into place. Okay, now let's see. This is going to be your touch area. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the box. Let's take a look at the OpenReal. Now, I love the lightweight, the lightweight build on these. You could just drop these right in your pocket. All right, when you get outside, throw them on. Now, again, these are not truly wireless, so you're not going to lose one earbud. And like I said earlier, $40. $180 is a lot to spend for some headphones that you're just going to work out with. I think $40 is the right price. Now, I just started working out again. I've been on a strict diet for the last 30 days. This month, I decided to start doing cardio, so these are going to come in right in play. Now, I'm going to take these outside and do some real testing. But in the meantime, first, let's power these up and check out the app. All right, so before we take a look at the app, let's look at the OpenReals one more time. Now, on a side note, one of the comments that I read on Amazon was that these are a well-executed product. And I'm going to agree with that. Let me show you what I'm talking about. First of all, these are super lightweight. Matter of fact, let me grab a scale. I want y'all to see exactly how light these are. All right, so I'm going to set this to grams. Watch this. These are 30 grams. Okay, 30 grams. Super lightweight. Now, try them on behind camera. They are extremely comfortable. You could wear these all day long. Now, let me show you the buttons. If you look closely, this is going to be your power button / Bluetooth pairing. Now, you got volume up for one tap, volume down for one tap. If you want to skip to the next song, press and hold. If you want to go to the previous track, press and hold volume down. Now for play and pause, one tap on this side, and if you want to get to your voice assistant, long press. So the controls are very intuitive. And again, I can't stress this enough, these are so comfortable. Now the pairing process is real simple. Once you power up the headphones, they'll automatically be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the Tozo OpenReal. The next thing you want to do is download the Tozo app. Now this is going to show you your Bluetooth connection status, your battery percentage, and you got a fully functional, customizable EQ. All right, so let's check out some of the presets. You got bass plus, bass minus, classical, dance, deep, hip hop, jazz, original, piano, pop, R&B, rock, vocal, treble plus, and treble minus. Now you can also customize these at your leisure and then save it. Now before I do a little sound test, let me show you the difference between air conduction and bone conduction. Now I tried these on just now behind the camera. You see they go behind my neck. Nice and comfortable, very discreet, and if you wear glasses, you're not going to have an issue. Now with air conduction, you see the headphones are resting right over my ear. So you're going to get louder volume. Now with bone conduction, they would be up here in my temple. Now the problem with bone conduction is, if you're in the house, you'll hear your music. But as soon as you go outside in the real world and there's loud things outside, you're not going to hear that music anymore. With air conduction, you get more bass and louder volume. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. Now, since I'm going to be working out with these, I got one of my favorite workout songs, Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg, Nothing But a G Thing. Now, I'm going to start off with maximum volume and the EQ set to standard. Now, one more side note. As I'm wearing these, I'm smiling because these are just so comfortable. I can easily see myself wearing these all day long. One tap for play and pause. Here we go. Now, remember, you might hear a little sound leakage because my microphone is close to where I'm talking to. And remember, these are not directly in my ears. They land on my ears. Here we go. Okay. It's just so crazy wearing these because the music sounds so loud, but they're not in my ears. 1, 2, 3 into the 4. Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at the door. Let's go. Okay, hold up. Now, hold up, let me be quiet. These sound terrific. Hold up. Let's go to the app. All right, let's try bass plus. Oh, more bass? Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's even, okay, let's see. Hold up. Oh, these sound great. All right, before I play with my EQ settings, let's try hip hop. Oh, this is nice and clean. Okay. R&B. Oh, this one actually sounds good too. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to play with my EQ settings to get to what I like. Oh, hold up. Now these, hold up. All right, hold up. All right, let's hit pause. Bro, let me tell you something. You do not have to spend $180. Okay, if you want some open air style headphones, these sound terrific. And again, that brings me back to my earlier point. If you never heard of Tozo, okay, if y'all sleeping on Tozo, y'all better wake up. This is a real brand. I love these. Now I'm gonna take them outside of the park real quick and I'll do some outdoor testing. But so far, the sound quality, let me hit play again. Wow. Now I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna take them off real quick. Now look, I'm gonna put them right by the mic. You hear? Y'all hear that? Bro, these are dope. All right, hold up. Now I'm gonna put them back on. Very easy to put on and off. Okay. Now I want to hear. Let's do my bass test. Okay, so we'll take it over to Nipsey Hussle Blue Laces 2. Okay, let's check the bass on these. Okay. Okay, hold up. Here we go. Okay. Wow. It's making me laugh because Hold up. Bro, this is crazy. All right. Now look, I know if y'all watch this video, I'm having kind of the same reactions. Air conduction technology is the new tech now. That's the new wave right now. Bone conduction is over. Air conduction, because my biggest gripe that I had with all of my bone conduction headphones was they sound good right now when I'm downstairs in complete silence. But as soon as I go outside and I'm in the mall or I'm in the DMV, I'm in a Walmart waiting online, and there's a lot of music in the background, people talking, I can't hear my music. With these, they're twice, maybe 5 times as loud as bone conducting headphones. That is crazy. So the sound quality on these, I love it. All right, so now let's check out the touch controls. Now for play and pause, to answer and end phone calls, 1 tap. You see it's playing? 1 tap to pause it. Now for volume up and down, 1 press for volume up. You see the volume going up? Volume down, press volume down. Now if I want to skip to the next song, hold volume up. There it is. If I want to go to the previous track, hold volume down. Starts over. There's the previous track. And if I want to get to my voice assistant, press and hold. What's the weather for today? So all of the touch controls, very intuitive. All right, so now let's check the call quality. I'm going to call up Amaya. Okay, Tozo OpenReal. Let's get maximum volume. Yeah. Hi, girlie. Making a YouTube video. What you doing? I know. Come on, man. Nerds unite. Takes one nerd to know another nerd. What you doing? Oh, you packing? All right, what's up? We still on for tonight? Okay, good. All right, well, I got to put you to work real quick. All right, how do I sound? No, I'm on headphones. Yep, I'm on headphones. How does my voice sound? Crystal clear or what? Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10. An 8? Okay, now let's add a little windage. Hold up, let me add some windage. Do you hear the wind? Okay, you hear it. But is it annoying? Would you be able to have a full conversation with me like this right now? Okay, you sound nice and loud too, though. Now I'm gonna try maximum wind. What about maximum wind? You can still hear me? Okay, good. Okay, so your overall ranking on these, on a scale of 1 to 10. Oh, 8.5 because you was impressed with the wind test. This is why I F with you here. This is exactly why. I know. All right, I'm gonna see you in a little bit. I'm gonna call you after this. Bye. Okay. All right. Let me take them off real quick. The call quality on these sounded great. She heard me perfectly fine. I heard her perfectly fine. And I was a little concerned with the wind test because remember, these are not directly in my ears. So I thought I was going to hear her less with the wind, but I heard her perfectly fine. And I can't stress this enough. I can't stress this enough. The comfort on these. Okay, not only for working out, you could wear these all day at work and use them just to talk on the phone. And look at this. You could just put them right in your pocket when you get to work, put them on. And I love how discreet they are. Okay, since the neckband is going to be behind your neck, if you're wearing a collared shirt or if you're like me and you got long hair, nobody's going to know you got this neckband on. Okay, so call quality on these, A1. All right, so I just did some more testing off camera, and here's the results. For the Bluetooth range, I walked all the way to 30 feet, no drop connection at all. Next, I watched some YouTube, Netflix, and Prime videos. No lag when you're watching your videos. Now, I want to take these outside and do a little outdoor testing. So let's take a look at that. All right, so here's how they're going to look in the real world. Lightweight and comfortable, and as you can see, they will not move around. I got my volume on around 50%. My music is loud and clear, and I can hear all of my surroundings. Now, if I want to, I can push the volume up to 100%, and I won't hear nothing. The sound quality on these is terrific. Y'all gonna like these for working out. Trust me. All right, so you've seen it for yourself. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Tozo OpenReals a major go. I am feeling these. First of all, at $40, this is a steal. Okay, the sound quality is terrific. They're nice and loud, and you actually have bass and a fully functional EQ. Now, like I said earlier, air conduction technology is the new wave. I love it. The battery life, 16 hours on a single charge, plus quick charge. That means if you forget to charge them up and you're ready to work out, plug them in for 10 minutes and you're going to get 2 hours worth of battery life. The call quality is excellent. The touch controls, everything works, very intuitive. And these are super lightweight and comfortable. You can wear them all day long. But most importantly, the price. $40, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. If you're looking for that air conduction technology and you don't want to spend $180, this is the way to go. The Tozo OpenReals, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture go. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.